Dear sister, why do you cry? Wipe those tears that flow ever so abundantly from your eyes. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Dear sister, why do you lie to yourself and not see your true worth? Oh, dear sister, why do you cry? For you are a force to be reckoned with, a driving tool that should not only motivate you, but should only show you what it is, in fact, the meaning of being you. Dear sister, stay patient as you follow in the footsteps of a seer. Don't falter and show him your weakness. Continue on the path to righteousness, but don't neglect your innocence and freedom. Wipe your tears now, sister. Get out of the darkness and find yourself under the light, for the world is yours for the taking, indeed such a vibrant place. Let the wind blow under your veil, feel the sun on your bruised skin. Sister, listen to the birds sing again. Come and let the good life in. Sister, don't go back to paranoia and name-calling, heavy footsteps in the corridor, your heart beating and fearing his wrath as if opens that bedroom door, for he will never change. He took the soul of beauty and made it believe that it was unattractive to the point where you couldn't face yourself in the mirror. All by him you blamed yourself for the different blended shades of black, blue and purple. So unrecognizable, sister, you became that you almost forgot your name. Didn't he promise that he wouldn't do it again and again? Don't let his greed steal your essence, because he is weak. Not a man from our scriptures, not a man from our book. He's a low-down, dirty human being, and I measure this by all that he took. Far too long now, sister, you've suffered within these four walls in silence. Don't let his hands dictate where you go or who you follow. Don't let his words cut deeper than a knife in your throat, making it hard for you to swallow. Sister, don't let his aura consume yours, taking all your shine as his price because of your sorrow. Sister, run now, for only the Most High knows if you're promised tomorrow.